Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make one herbal juice at home itself for cold and cough. Everyone can take this medicine at any age by avoiding English medicine. This herbal juice preparation is very easy and simple within a few minutes. Okay friends, come on, just follow me and carefully what are the ingredients I am using this herbal juice. See, this is the karpooravalli. This is called Indian borage or Indian mint in English. And then next I taken Thulasi. This is cure for cold and cough and also seasonal fever. Then next I taken Thudhuvalai. The scientific name is solanum trilobatum. And then this is called purple fruit seed eggplant in English. Then next I taken one small piece of ginger. These all ingredients I taken for preparing herbal juice. Totally 4 items is there. So after I will do crush this all. See friends, this is Thudhuvalai plant. This plant is fully covered with thorns. See friends, leaves front, back and then stem full covered with the thorns. This is the most important medicinal plant called as Kayakalpa herbal in Siddha medicine. These leaves used for cold and cough, and then this is also used for throat irritation. And we are use this plant herbs in both kids and adults. This plant seeds is available in market also friends. See friends, this is Thulasi. Nowadays most of the people having Thulasi plant in front of themselves. In Thulasi, all parts of this plant in rich essential bioactive ingredients. A mixture of Thulasi leaves along with the honey and ginger is very effective in treating asthma, cold and cough friends. So daily we have to eat 1 or 2 leaves Thulasi. Then next karpooravalli. This is called Indian borage or Indian mint in English. This is traditionally used for treating cold and cough in both babies and adults. We can easily grow this plant in small pot in our homes, and then it grows well in full of sunlight. If we just touch these leaves, the beautiful refreshing smell come in our hand for a long time. These plants. Okay friends, let us start the juice preparation. First I clean the leaves with water. Then I will mix the all ingredients and do crush. Karpooravalli, Thulasi, Thudhuvalai and then 1 small piece of ginger. Do crush. Crush nicely. This much is enough. Then next just press the crushed leaves and ginger. Press well. Press nicely till the last drops. Okay, enough. Okay, I got this much of juice. Now the herbal juice is ready for drinking. If suddenly children got affected cold and cough means within 5 minutes we will prepare home medicine along with its little bit. I hope this tips is very useful for you. If you like means don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Eat healthy and stay happy. Thank you.